Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to make a new cover for a diary. This is a homemade diary using the infills, the diary infills that you can purchase from any stationery shop. The other materials that you'll need will be chipboard and also the rings so that you can connect all the pages together. To give me a nice white surface to play with this project, I'm going to prime it with gesso paint. You can get this from Bunnings or from Spotlight or any other art and craft shop. This could be put on with a foam roller, but I'm choosing to use the paintbrush. It's going to give it a rougher finish, but it doesn't really matter because I will be sticking things over the top of this. Time to put these aside and wait for them to dry. To decorate my diary today, I am going to be using a page kit. This one is from Basic Grey called Bow Tie. Now you can go and choose any particular pattern papers and sticker pieces that you like the look of. You can buy these in packs in Spotlight, and you can also get them from your scrapbook store. What I'm doing here is covering the chipboard pieces with Zig 2A glue and then putting the pattern paper over the top and giving it a trim around the outside edges. I did this for both the back and the front. Once complete, it's time to redo the punched holes, and then to make the edges look a little better than just cut paper, I got out some inks and I inked around the edges of both of these two pieces. Now to decorate the front of the diary, I went ahead and used as much of the Bow Tie Basic Grey kit that I had, including a lot of the stickers. And then I also used some stickles and liquid pearls to make some of the dotted shapes that you'll see around the outside. I'm going to leave it here just while you're watching how I create the very first cover. Once the front cover was dry, I was able to work with it and pop it onto the front of the diary, and then you'll notice that I have quite a few ribbons there because I'm going to decorate the rings at the side. I like doing this, and you can add as few or as many as you wish, but the more is on there, the better I think it looks. So you basically just take smaller pieces of ribbon and just tie them around. Once you've finished tying, make sure you cut your ribbon at an angle. That'll help it from fraying. So I'm happy with that amount of ribbon. I'm going to leave it there and not add any more. And I'm going to say that this diary is done. And I'm going to be using this diary at my desk for planning videos and working out when things need to be uploaded. A bright, colourful and happy diary for me to use. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from the channel. And on that note, keep creating, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.